From Neural Newscast, this is Model Behavior, AI-focused news and analysis on the models shaping our world.
Welcome to Model Behavior. This program examines how AI systems are built, deployed, and operated in real professional environments. Today is August 14th, 2026. Yesterday, OpenAI previewed a significant performance update for its flagship model series. Thatcher, they are calling this the Ultrafast tier for GPT-5.6 Sol, and the reported speed increases are quite striking for a frontier model. It marks a shift from focusing purely on reasoning capability to focusing on raw throughput.
It is a substantial jump, Nina. According to reports from 9to5Mac, this new tier allows the Sol model to run up to 14 times faster than standard processing speeds. The technical driver here is notable. It is powered by specialized hardware from Cerebras, designed to handle the massive compute requirements of frontier-level models without the typical latency bottlenecks we see on traditional setups. This represents a significant departure from standard GPU-based inference clusters used by most providers today.
To put that in perspective for developers, we are looking at output speeds of up to 750 tokens per second. We saw the full GPT-5.6 family, Sol, Terra, and Luna, become broadly available back in July, but those were operating at what we might call standard production speeds. This ultra-fast preview seems aimed specifically at workflows where every millisecond counts, such as real-time interaction and automated decision-making pipelines. It essentially turns a high-reasoning model into a high-speed engine.
That is correct, Nina, but I think it is important to ask what 14 times faster actually enables for the end user. If you're just generating a short email, you likely will not notice the difference in speed. But for live developer agents or real-time security response, this level of throughput changes the actual architecture of the application. OpenAI mentioned their own teams used it to compress research cycles that used to take an entire night into something they could iterate on multiple times during a single workday.
That is a practical shift for internal engineering, but they are also looking at external commerce and customer support. Imagine a voice interface that responds with zero perceptible lag, or a shopping assistant that can process a complex inventory query instantly. The company is currently limiting access to a select group of customers while they evaluate how this added speed affects real-world product stability. They are not just opening the gates to everyone yet. There is a formal waitlist process involved for those interested in high-throughput applications.
And that waitlist is not just a simple sign-up form, Nina. Businesses have to detail their specific workloads, their latency requirements, and their expected usage patterns. It suggests OpenAI is being very deliberate about which high-intensity use cases they want to test first. They have highlighted financial research and log analysis as primary areas where this kind of speed provides a competitive or operational edge over slower systems. They want to ensure the infrastructure can maintain these speeds under heavy, consistent loads.
It's also interesting to see the distinction between the models in this family. Sol is their most capable model, while Luna focuses on raw speed and Terra offers a balanced approach. By bringing the ultra-fast tier to the Sol model, they are trying to offer the intelligence of their top-tier model with the responsiveness usually reserved for much smaller, less capable systems. It narrows the gap between capability and utility, allowing for complex reasoning to happen in the blink of an eye.
Exactly, Nina. We have seen speed-focused models before, but usually at the cost of reasoning depth. If Cerebras hardware allows GPT-5.6 Sol to maintain its full capability at 750 tokens per second, that solves a major friction point for enterprise deployment. It's no longer a trade-off between how smart the agent is and how fast it can respond to an agent or a system event. This could significantly lower the barrier for companies looking to integrate frontier models into their core operations.
We will be watching how this rollout expands beyond the initial preview group and whether the ultra-fast designation becomes a standard offering across their entire model lineup. It is a clear signal that the infrastructure layer, specifically the use of specialized hardware, is becoming the primary lever for model performance improvements in 2026. Thatcher, thank you for joining me to break down the technical side of this announcement and its potential impact on the market.
My pleasure, Nina. Thank you for listening to Model Behavior, a Neural Newscast editorial segment. You can find more details and our full archive at mb.neuralnewscast.com. Neural Newscast is AI-assisted, human-reviewed. View our AI transparency policy at neuralnewscast.com.
This has been Model Behavior on Neural Newscast, examining the systems behind the story